Welcome back to Mastering Languages channel.
マスタリング・ラングエージチャンネルへようこそ。This is M5 Grammar Lesson 4.
これが N5 文法授業4です。Now, let's go into our video.
動画の中へ入りましょう。
As a continuation from last video, we will be learning the below particles.
下記の助詞を勉強します。
も、
や、
ね。Now let's start with the particle mo. So the particle mo means also. We can see this in the sentence that I gave.
私は日本語が上手です。妹も日本語が上手です。
This means I am good at Japanese. My sister is also good at Japanese. So the mo here means also.
私は野球が好きです。サッカーも水泳も好きです。
This means I like baseball. I also like soccer and swimming. So here the particle mo is used to tell that you like soccer as well as swimming. So now let's study the particle ya. So the particle ya is used to say only 2 or 3 out of many things.
いろいろある中の2つ、3つだけを言う。
For example,
公園に赤い花や黄色い花が咲いています。
so this means that there are red, yellow flowers in the park. So when there are other flowers, for example, green, blue flowers in the park. But then what the particle ya here says is that we are only giving 2 or 3 examples. In this case, it's 2. The examples are red and yellow.
パーティーでスーダさんやドスさんに会いました。
This means that I met Suda-san, Dos-san in the party. So then again, the particle ya here says that I met Suda-san, Dos-san and other people. I'm only giving 2 examples out of all the people that I met. Okay, now let's study the particle ne. So the particle ne is used when a speaker expects a confirmation from the listener. So then this is the speaker and this is the listener.
今日は寒いですね。はい、そうですね。
So then this means that it's cold today, isn't it? And the reply is yes, it is. So the particle ne is used when you're seeking confirmation. So here the speaker is confirming whether today is cold. And the listener replies, yes, it is.
このケーキは美味しいですね。はい、そうですね。
So when the person asks, this cake is delicious, isn't it? And the reply is yes, it is. So as I said before, the particle ne is again used for confirmation. Here they're asking, they're not asking, but they're just confirming with the other person that the cake is delicious. Now let's have a quiz. So please choose the best answer from the options below. Question number 1.
私は音楽が好きです。妹、音楽が好きです。
Please think of an answer. Okay, now let's check the answer. So the correct answer is mo.
私は音楽が好きです。妹も音楽が好きです。
Now let's go to question number 2.
駅のそばにデパート、銀行があります。
Please think of an answer. Now let's check the answer. So then the correct answer is ya.
駅のそばにデパートや銀行があります。
Question number 3.
この猫はかわいい。
Please think of an answer. Now let's check the answer. So the correct answer is ne.
この猫はかわいいね。
Question number 4.
デパートでシャツ、靴などを買いました。
Please think of an answer. Now let's check the answer. So the correct answer is ya.
デパートでシャツや靴などを買いました。
Did you get all the answers correct? If you have any comments or suggestions, please feel free to express them in the comment section below.
ナンリー。
ありがとうございます。
Thank you.